manageable risk in exploration. We don't take easily to large endeavors where people are lost. The Titanic sinks, we're still talking about it. But yet, 1 in 10 people who climbs Mount Everest doesn't make it. And that seems to be acceptable for some reason. What is the right balance of manageable risk in exploration, especially at a time when we're thinking about commercial space? We could be thinking about commercial ventures deep in the ocean. What's the right balance?
Well, I think a lot of it has to do with how things are funded. I think if Everest expeditions were publicly funded, I think that the death rate of 1 in 10 would be something nobody would try and accept. But it's a case where individuals, through their own choice, decide to go out and do it, and they take the risk knowingly, and they take it on. I think the analogy in space is going to be that when corporations and individuals are willing to risk their own assets and their own lives without government support, that higher levels of risk are going to be tolerable. But even robotic missions, the robotic missions that we carry out, they're funded with government money. I know that a chance of failure. I mean, we talked a lot about probability of failure when we were talking about landing sparing opportunity on Mars. We recognized that on launch there was a roughly 1% chance, something like that, 1% chance that we could lose the vehicles then. But a 1 in 10 chance of a failed landing was deemed unacceptable by NASA headquarters, even when we had 2 vehicles going. So the government is extraordinarily risk averse, and that has been historically the case.
Well, I know I believe for Spaceship One, I know for commercial space, there was at some point an attempt to impose commercial flight requirements on, which of course would have bankrupted the whole operation, because you can't guarantee